We're going to continue on with setup, and we're going to update our SKUs from a master to build or a lookup. And the difference between them are a master would be your lowest level in which you order stock. So you have a manufacturer, you order multiple products, and then when they bundle them here or wherever they bundle them, that bundle would be a build, but you're ordering the master stock. So this software is great for figuring out what the master stock order is. Example, Dr. Travis with iLove had 10 hero or master SKUs, but he had over 100 plus SKUs and they were set up of multiple bundles. The sales of all those bundles went together to figure out from the manufacturer, what do we need to order of those 10 hero SKUs or master SKUs? And that's what we're going to do here. So again, we're on the connection page. We're going to go to SKU details. And then I've hidden all my other SKUs, but I'm going to create a new SKU. And normally with Amazon or Shopify, if you have the SKU built already, and this is actually the better way to do it, build it in the source system and let it import into this system. But for the example here, we are just going to create a test build white medium test build. And then I'm going to add SKU. So we have our test build here. It comes in as master automatically. Two places you can change it from master. You can double click here, change it as a build. You can go to edit and do the exact same thing. I'm going to set it there. I'm going to click off of it and click back on it just to let it update. And that will make the build list down here show automatically. Whenever you click on a build, it'll show up down here automatically. And here is my test. And I am kind of in the way. This might be in the way. I'm going to click edit. This is our SKU, build A, build B, build C. This allows multiple products to be put into this build. If you're going to do a bundle, you can add multiple products. We have clients that have up to 15 items or whatever we got down here into one product. What we wanted to do is select your master. And this is a build, but also like a lookup. So basically it's a 1-for-1. Whenever this product sells, this test build, it is actually giving the credit back to this master. So that allows for the velocity and the analytics and the analysis all to give focus on the master. And that's what you need to order. It also could be a bundle if you wanted to be, however you want to do it. So this would be a 5-pack. And then that says, hey, 5 of these were ordered, and it's going to help with the velocity for sure. So anyways, added one, hit update. That is how you do builds or lookups. They're the same thing. And then you can refresh this right here. If you want to go back to it, these are filters. So that's my one build. I'm going to go back to my masters. There's actually only 5 now because we hit that. No, 6. And that is the process.